Hi, I'm Matthew and I'm the Commercial Manager at Cobo Online. As the Commercial Manager, I help businesses find the right solution for their needs. With Cobo Weld, I focus on connecting companies with a system that enhances their welding processes and makes automation accessible. Cobo Weld is a collaborative welding solution that improves efficiency and precision while being incredibly easy to set up and use in almost any workspace. Whether you're keeping your current power source or investing in a new one, Cobo Weld is designed to fit right in. It's flexible enough to work in a range of different setups, so you can get going from day one with minimal adjustments to your current workflow. Cobo Weld is extremely intuitive to use, so you can get going with it from day one. By using the 3 buttons on the smooth tool flange, you can quickly and easily create both simple and more complex welds. Cobo Weld is suitable for all different types of industries, whether it's defence, automotive or general fabrication shops. Cobo Weld helps them to maintain their high quality standards whilst boosting their productivity. When you purchase a Cobo Weld solution from Cobo Online, all of the training will be provided so that by the time we leave, you'll be able to create and set up all of your own programs. If you want to learn more about Cobo Weld, head over to our website, fill out the contact form and one of our team members will be in touch.